In this video, we listed the 5 best underwater camera on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Moke GR25M Fishing Camera. The Moke GR25M fishing camera is specifically designed for winter ice fishing enthusiasts, featuring a robust 10,000 mAh battery that ensures extended usage in cold conditions. With a 7-inch 1080p LCD screen, this underwater fish finder provides clear and high-definition visuals, allowing users to effectively spot and track fish beneath the ice. This combination of advanced technology and durable design makes it an ideal tool for both casual anglers and serious fishermen looking to enhance their ice fishing experience. Number 2. Moke GR4315 Fishing Camera. The Moke GR product features a 15-meter cable length and includes video functionality. However, it is important to note that it does not contain a DVR, digital video recorder, and lacks a memory card, making video recording impossible. This item is sourced from mainland China, and its specifications highlight both its capabilities and limitations regarding video storage and recording. Number 3. Ayoyo EF43A IR Camera. The Ayoyo EF43A underwater fish finder is a versatile device designed for various fishing environments, including ice, sea, and river fishing. It features a 4.3-inch TFT color display with a resolution of 480 by 272 pixels, powered by a rechargeable 2600 mAh lithium battery that provides 6 to 7 hours of operation. The system includes a high-definition camera equipped with 8 infrared LED lights, offering a 130-degree view angle and a resolution of 1000 TVL, with an IP68 waterproof rating for reliable underwater use. The fish finder also supports DVR functionality, allowing users to record their underwater experiences, but this is an optional feature at the time of purchase. Available with varying cable lengths, 15M, 20M, 25M, and 30M, it is designed to be flexible, lightweight, and user-friendly. The monitor supports multiple languages and includes additional features such as a built-in sunshield and customizable backlight settings. The package comes complete with all necessary accessories, and the device is backed by a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. Number 4. Ersihang Underwater Camera. The Ersihang Underwater Fishing Video Camera, Model EF43A, is a high-quality device designed for ice and sea fishing, featuring a 4.3-inch IPS LCD monitor with a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. This camera operates on a 10V to 18V power source and includes a powerful 4000 mAh lithium battery, offering 5 to 8 hours of operation time. Designed for diverse fishing environments, it utilizes 6 infrared lamps for enhanced night vision, equipped with automatic light sensing technology for optimal image quality in varying light conditions. The camera is compact and lightweight, waterproof with an IP68 rating, and allows users to record videos and take pictures of their fishing experiences. Operating within temperatures ranging from -20 to 60 degrees Celsius, it supports multiple languages for easy navigation. Overall, the Ersihang camera combines advanced features and user-friendly functionality, making it an excellent choice for both amateur and experienced anglers. Number 5. Scienspan Underwater Fish Camera. The Scienspan Underwater Fish Finder is a versatile fishing tool designed for various aquatic activities, including sea bottom exploration, ice fishing, and underwater inspections. It features a 4.3-inch LCD monitor equipped with a high-resolution 1000 TVL camera, offering a 140-degree viewing angle to capture clear, real-time underwater scenes up to 20 meters deep. The waterproof IP68 rated camera is enhanced with 8 infrared night vision LEDs for low-light environments. The device operates on a rechargeable 4400 mAh battery, ensuring extended usage, while the 2.25mm cable is designed for durability in cold water conditions. The package includes a fishing reel with a gear ratio of 3.8:1 and several line capacities, along with a mounting bracket for easy attachment to fishing rods. Packaged conveniently with necessary accessories, this fish finder promises effective monitoring and exploration for both amateur and professional fishers.